implementation of some resolutions is actively pursued, while others are ignored. In our region, the festering Jammu and Kashmir dispute serves not only as a reprehensible face to a brutal and suppressive occupation, but also a constant reminder to the solemn commitment that the Security Council, through its several resolutions, at least 11, made to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, promising them their right to self-determination. Faced with the illegal Indian annexation of occupied Jammu and Kashmir on the 5th of August, the grim reality of occupation has become ever more stark for the Kashmiri people. Having entered its second month, the darkness that has been imposed on the occupied territory shows no sign of abating. As elsewhere, when the Council fails to implement its own resolutions, the price for this failure is paid in blood by generations of innocent people. In the case of Kashmir, this bloodletting has lasted over 70 years and has accounted for the lives of over 95,000 Kashmiris, including countless women and children. This travesty must end. The Security Council must act by demanding India to lift the curfew and end the communication blackout, allow the people to exercise all their rights, including their right of peaceful assembly.